This is the area, I think they call it Craftsman. No, we just came through the Craftsman area. This is leading into Eagle Mountain, where they have the rescued eagles are up in this enclosure over here. But today this area is closed because a tree fell, and evidently there's a hole, and they had to get all the eagles rounded up, and
hole in the netting.
Yeah, a hole in the netting. And they had to get all the eagles rounded up. I saw a picture where they had the cages out and stuff. So they're going to put them away until they can get the enclosure fixed so they're safe. And then put them back. And then this building right down here is where they do the show with all the wild birds. And those are not out today either. This whole area is closed. You can't walk through there. So, but I can't see where it happened. Anyway, that's all there is to say about that.